Dave. It was close.
Just get it in the hand, it's all that matters.
All right, I'll let you do it for a minute.
You ever hear NASA do fake space travel? Yeah. You know anybody who gets into anybody that researches stuff online? Here's a website. He starts giving you the proof, and then you can go research.
Nice? As I do the easy part, he does the hard part. And they're looking at it and he's talking to him.
Oh.
So while he's busy with that, I'm on to the next person.
I think I'll have Dave go set up there.
For 500 years.
How does that work here? He just, it's like a free-for-all?
He's got a free speech right.
Oh, yeah. I was just curious, like, because you somehow got a spot.
Wait till you watch my video from last night. I had two people that were kind of like, the one guy had a booth, and he said, stop blocking my thing, you know, you go get a booth.
We've been duped.
Yeah, we've been lied to. It's crazy. Earth is not a spinning ball. Here, look this up. We've been duped.
Check it out, we've been duped.
Hey, you girls ever hear that the Earth is flat and
It's true. Come on back when you got a question.
And I think I saw a couple of people that were flat earthers walking towards Wawa, and they're going to come back.
Cool. How do you know that?
Because they saw me and they're checking me out. At first I thought they were checking me out because I'm hot, but I think it's from the shirt.
Can you imagine this? This guy. What is he, guy?
Everyone keeps looking at me. I don't know what it is.
The horizon is always at your eye level, even on top of Mount Everest. It never curves down. We do not live on a spinning ball. We can tell you about it in 60 seconds.
You came right for us. That means you won a card. Check it out.
I do. Thank you. You're good, Dave.
Yeah, he is.
He's unassuming.
That's the whole idea.
Check it out. We've been lied to. We've been duped.
Are you into science at all? We could talk to you about it.
Free time, check out the card.
Hey, guess what? I only have like a few left. I'm really down low on these. I've been handing these out like crazy.
I'll order more.
Well, look at these.
Yeah, you can put them here. Put them here.
Talking to me?
Yeah, you can
I'm
put
handing them out.
Are you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got, this is my first thing. Depends. If I talk to them a little bit more, then I hand them this one.
Okay.
Depends.
Depends.
Just filling them out.
Yeah, and then I got Nathan's cards in this pocket here. I used to have your cards, but I'm down to like one or two.
I got a bunch in the car.
Oh, did you see the section on the website to add activists since you are an activist now? I can add you.
I didn't see that.
Yeah, get a mug shot of him and put it up there.
Is that what Dave was talking about doing?
He's doing a bio for his section.
Hi. We need to look this out because we live on a flat plane.
No.
What do you have? What do you have that,
I don't have a website, nothing. I haven't decided if I want to do anything.
Facebook page?
Huh? No, I don't do Facebook.
Oh, Jesus. You're like off the grid.
Yep.
Well, he's from South Delaware.
Check it out. We've been lied to.
That's what we all should say to the government. Pay your taxes. No, thank you.
You don't have to. Did you hear that?
I know. But how are we going to do that?
Yeah, I mean, it's hard because you have to be out of the system. But I think it was on...
But property tax, how you get around that? Hey, talk science?
Flat Earth?
Yeah.
That's real science.
Look on the other side, some good information there, and stop back when you have a question.
All right, that's... In your free time, you can always go to the website and check it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not walking upside down on a spinning ball.
No?
Water doesn't bend around the spinning
And the
ball.
horizon's always at your eye level, even on Mount Everest. That's right.
Okay. We got a solid physical barrier.
Yeah.
You can't be seen around Earth.
Where the heck is Dave?
20 minutes away.
Yeah, but he...
How can I incorporate the world as a stage into this big presentation?
I wonder if we said the Earth was round, they'd believe it.
horizon is always at your eye level. Even on top of Mount Everest, it never curves down. That's not funny, it's a fact. Never curves down. We do not live on a spinning ball.
Check it out with the lights. Has anyone done a video showing what it would look like if we were indeed on a ball?
I think there is one where there's two different scenarios. We do not live on a spinning ball. The horizon's always at your eye level.
Spinning ball of water. It's more.
You can look this up yourself. Look it up.
Thank you.
True, it's true.
This.
Do not live on a spinning ball.
Okay.
What?
Well, they should be able to read upside down if they're upside down on a spinning ball.
I'm sorry.
Oh,
You're right.
I was upside down.
Hey, you think this is where we live? Upside down on a spinning ball? Does that look
Check
right?
it out.
Thank you.
You can look it up yourself.
To me.
Science, let's have a science discussion, a real science discussion. Horizon is always at your eye level. It never dips down.
You're not walking upside down on a spinning ball.
No, give us a break. How about a science discussion? Yeah, let me show you about the space shuttle. Let me show you. It's in a freaking swimming pool.
We've been deep.
Can you really see it? 238,000 miles away? How far is that?
17,000 miles an hour.
17.
How would
Sure.
you even be able to see it?
17,000 miles away.
No, that's how fast it travels around here.
Yeah, how would you see that? It's like a bullet travels at almost, what, 2,000 miles an hour? And that thing's traveling like...
Well,
what's
no,
the
it's
map on
supposedly
that?
in geocentric.
Yeah, yeah, we got thrown at her.
Huh?
That,
Somebody
that-
threw it?
Yeah, when
Oh.
he took it from her or whatever.
Oh, okay. The horizon is always at your eye level. It never dips down, even on Mount Everest. You can look it up yourself. The videos are down at the bottom. Just type that in and you'll get all the information we got here.
Okay.
It's a truth
And what is it?
that we do not live on a spinning ball.
Oh.
It's a flat
okay.
plane and it's got proof.
Oh, okay.
They do lie to us.
Okay.
Of course, our government would never lie to us, would they?
Not at all.
See, nobody ever says, yeah, they would. Nobody ever believes the government. So don't believe them, you know, that we live on a spinning ball either. We got to test it.
I'm going to get a sound card.
My mom won't look into it.
Nobody will. Especially if they're associated with it.
Yeah,
We're talking about, we're going for like 1 in 100 probably.
yeah. I ought to wear my lab coat down. Oh, let's talk about that. When are we going? Friday night, the 12th?
The 13th is bad for me, so the 12th would work for me.
That's a Friday night.
That's this Friday night.
Yes, it's this Friday night. I can't wait to go. So we're going to go to that movie, The First Man Who Landed on the Moon. It's a moon movie.
Yeah,
And we're going to
apparently-
go and get dressed up and we're going to laugh at it.
I know cards and
You
stuff.
think we'll get
I don't
kicked
know which
out?
one to go to. No. I don't know which one to go to though. I don't know Alan's on that well.
But I would
Well,
say
pick one.
that if you're close to a theater, standing in front of it and handing out my card would be real good. Face to face.
That's what you got to do in your area.
Yeah.
We're going to get them as they come out. That way the theater won't call the cops on us.
I don't know.
So
Yeah.
I say we go in and out. I mean,
In and out.
Oh, then you're
Oh, it's
doing the same
public.
thing twice.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, if you do them on the way out. We do not live on a spinning ball. You can look this up yourself. Can I put it in your bag?
Sure.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Yeah. Here, would you like your
I'll
own?
look too. Okay.
Yeah, and get a bottle of wine and type that in, and you'll be able to watch everything we have here. All that information.
All right. Oh, very nice.
Yeah, it's good.
Very
Well,
nice.
so-
Thank you.
You ever heard that? We live on a motionless flat plane, according to the Bible.
Yeah, you can look this up yourself. There's information on the back. The horizon always rises to your eye level. It never goes down. Never dips down. Even on Mount Everest.
Yeah, the round earth is just Hollywood.
Yep, Hollywood and NASA are the same thing. They faking it. NASA fakes space. You can look this up.
Hit him with the gold. The gold side. This is the gold. This is the moneymaker. This side. The other side.
Oh, you're so technical that time.
Who's your coach?
Where is David? I'm worried about
He's in
him.
the business of manipulation.
It's been 10
He's
minutes.
probably trying to find a place to park. Did he text you to say he was here?
He called, and he was, when I was talking to him, he was 20 minutes out.
Well, when was that?
Like an hour.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it was an hour ago.
Yeah, I told him the dentistry. I gave him the right number, though. You gave me the wrong number.
And where are you, darling?
She gave me 4067, which is...
Okay,
street,
we'll
that's
come
where I park.
across the
Is he
street.
parked in like a wooded area?
Yeah.
Like, I'll park
way up on a hill.
Oh, okay.
down past a bunch of vendors and you go.
All I know
Well,
is
no, there's parking here, though.
Yeah, it's on Church Street.
Yeah. So come out of the driveway, turn left, and
Check it in there.
we are right up here.
well,
You can't miss us. Correct. There's nothing on the left.
you put him under underneath of it.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, wow.
Well, maybe a stone throw. Okay, bye. He's down there at Basta Pasta, where we ate lunch.
We can't be that far from Boston.
No, it's right there, that brick building.
Yeah.
Check it out, we've been duped. Okay, we need more cars. We're going fast.
We need big ones?
I got little ones.
I have.
Want me to start giving some of the smaller ones out?
Sure.
Did you ever hear of NASA's lying to us?
NASA lies. Hey, did you ever hear of this in school? All the kids are talking about it.
We've been duped.
Yeah, just here. You can look it up. You can look it up. Would you like one?
I'll look at his.
Okay, good idea. Watch the video with him.
Not that it's bad or anything.
No, it's a good one,
You'll
though.
learn something.
It's not bad. All right, everybody look for Dave. You're not talking to people. You're missing everybody, guys. Pay attention.
Yeah, but I gave Dave, what's crazy is I gave him the dentist's actual address, and like what you gave Mark and I,
What did I give you?
4067. But I gave him 4077.
Watch out with the lady with the stick.
I'm sorry.
Check it out. We've been duped.
4067 is right there on that sign.
Right here?
Yeah, you
Oh,
see it?
GPS took us all the way down the street.
See, you're blaming me.
Yeah. Check it out, we've been duped.
Horizon is always at your eye level. Even on Mount Everest, it never dips down. Horizon is always at your eye level. It never dips down. We don't live on a spinning ball of water. Okay, where are you, David?
They're not running wild in the street.
free lectures. That's what I do, is I give lectures. Did you see my Penn State video?
Yeah. Abington?
I love
Yes.
how that woman that recorded you for a minute changed the title to Nut Job. Flatter,
I didn't see that.
Flatter. What did you say? Campus
Really?
Flat Earther?
I would love to see that.
Campus Flat Earther Nut Job.
Where was that?
Did you love that video?
I didn't see that.
She took of you.
Yeah, I
Did a
didn't
good
see it.
job.
I didn't see
She
it.
posted the videos, what you're saying? Yeah. Okay. So you found it how? By just punching in?
No, Marilyn posted it.
I wonder which one it was that took the video. Huh?
Some guy was standing there. And looked like
Oh yeah. And last night some guy took a selfie of he wanted a selfie with that in the background.
Good.
That's okay with
Really
me.
wanna get the
It does not matter that they want to mock because at least they see it.
But they'll post it on Facebook.
Yes.
People will say, oh, that's weird. I'm going to check that out.
Yes, I know.
Check it out. We've been here.
I'm sorry. What should I do?
There's nothing, other than getting like a scoop of dirt and throwing it on top of Noah's window. That's always light on fire.
Well, you could pee on it. Well, I'm still looking for Dave. Where is he?
Penn State was really good. I really like that.
I did too. Thank you. I had like 20 kids there.
Yeah, it would have been nice if Dave and somebody else were on the outside edges, because a lot of people you were talking to some people, and a lot of people weren't talking to you. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but you know what? I've worked with Dave. Oh, there he is. Here he is.
You're rolling, don't forget.
That's okay. I'm going to tell him to come up here and then just set up
Check
there.
it out, we've been duped.
It's the truth.
Sorry. We haven't looked into it. Once you look into it, you'll be like, oh my God,
The Bible says we're not moving.
Dave, I think right over here. Just do it all on the grass.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Yeah.
Cool.
How you doing? Glad you're here.
Hey, Dave.
Hey, guys.
you made it. Check it out. We've been duped.
It's the truth. Horizon's always at your eye level, even on Mount Everest. It never dips down. We do not live on a spinning ball. Horizon is always at your eye level. It never goes down. It is not a spinning ball. It is not a globe of water. What happened?
I think he's comparing over there to how busy it is to over here, how it's not really that busy.
Oh. The Earth is not a spinning ball.
Check it out. We've been duped.
Yeah. We should hand these out until we run out of them. Until we run out of them, we ought to hand these out. And then use those if we run out. Because these have so much more information on them. Here, I have more in the car.
Alex emailed me about getting these on the website, so
Alex?
Alex Weeks.
Oh, I don't know if I know him.
So I ordered 1,000. We got your stuff at the bottom, so this is the right.
Why? Why?
This is going to be.
It's not my stuff. What it is,
that's gonna be geared up
it's
for-
this.
Yeah, it's going to be geared up for you though.
Why? It doesn't have my face on there.
No, it's going to be geared up for you though, because it'll have contact information and stuff for you when we get that figured out. You know what I mean?
Did you ask him before you took it off? Because maybe he liked that idea.
Well, no, it still all it has is the .com on this side.
I know, but what about this side? This takes you right here to this. It takes you to that. People need to know that.
Well, it's all there though.
But there's nothing that says, here's the video, or here's the banners, or here's where you begin.
the
Did you
first
have
one
a
is-
begin?
If you,
Do you have begin on the
yeah, but
page?
I didn't get there yet. But
You got to put begin there.
the first thing that pops up is 200 proofs. When you go onto the website, that's number one. You know what I mean? Video and text format for the
All right.
visually hearing impaired. Actually, visual would be bad too. No, it wouldn't. 'Cause they-
Okay, that's fine. This is all the cards I have left, right here. This is it.
Oh, and I have Joshua's cards in the works.
For what? What's he getting?
About with his activism.
What do they look like?
It's going to be Earth is Flat, his YouTube at the bottom, and in the back is our the dome logo.
See, you know what? I think, are they going to be this size?
No, it's just regular cards.
Oh, regular card size, yeah. Well, if you don't have information that they can say, okay, then you're really missing the whole ball. If you just say, if Josh just says, oh, go to my YouTube channel, well, what does that show anybody? It doesn't show anybody anything, Josh. You're just showing them that you sit in a park and you have conversations with people. It doesn't give them information.
The flip side does though.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
The draw then would be,
You have to give them something to chew on.
ma'am, I'm filming you right now, and you'll be able to see the video here on my YouTube channel. And on the back is information where you can go to check
That's
out more
better.
information.
That's
So
good.
That's his.
That's what his is? Okay.
That's what I'm saying. His spiel would be. Your handsome
Well,
little
you
card.
should tell them what the spiel should be. And then they can get mad at you like Dave Zoomer does when I first told him some stuff. Oh,
Check it out.
nobody's
you.
telling me anything. I'm doing it my way. I'm okay, fine.
I always
And
find
then
someone
5
tell me what
months
to do.
later, you know, I tried it your way.
Yeah.
That's okay. I don't know everything.
It's always nice to get some different ideas.
Well, yeah. We're going to get
Check it out, we've been
feedback.
duped.
You got to get feedback from people, and who better than people who are in the same thing that know what you're doing? If you guys aren't related, I don't know. My goodness.
3 of us, huh?
Yeah, look at that. Hey, we've been duped. You can look it up.
No desire.
The Earth is not a spinning ball.
Oh, that's not the right. That's the first one. Said about them thinking that the ball was flat.
Get the moon landing thing out because I tell people about it. The moon landing thing is really important.
I think I'll even hold it.
Put it down here so we can look at it.
You look at it.
Oh, stop it. Don't be a grouch. I tell people to come over and look at it.
So how come you're not in your cubby hole?
Oh, stop it. Go away.
That's why I come hang out with Dave.
Is it why? Why?
Because I feel confined in there.
Oh my gosh.
You guys ever hear we went to the moon? Look at this piece of junk that said we went to the moon in. But it was in black and white on a small...
There's no dust on the feet.
Then I looked into it. The more you look...
Check out these. He has a battery now. Okay, so this is...
PC. Oh my God, that's heavy duty. I love these.
You're supposed to go on the other side of the street. Yeah, no, you're out there. More money. But the thing is that, like, when I first heard...
$30 a piece.
Huh?
$30 a piece.
For laminations like that?
I don't know if that included the image, but yeah,
Holy cow.
brutal. He's got chocolate money though.
Yeah, but you don't, let me ask you, but who's crazier though? The model of a ball Earth, right, is that water is sticking to a ball. Now, you go ahead and you get water to stick to the outside of a ball for me that's spinning
Yeah.
1,000 miles an hour.
Listen to him. He's telling you.
And I will rejoin your team.
Yeah. Prove it to me and I'll give you one.
Even the slightest bit of motion ever. I know. So there you go. Anyway, I appreciate talking to this one.
Yeah, what do you think? I can tell you about it in 30 seconds.
You can check it out in your spare time at home. We've been duped.
Yeah, Mark does like being over there with Dave. I don't know why.
That's good. Two
Yeah.
over there, two over here.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh my God, somebody just brought a bear. That's freaking
Oh, look at that big boy. Or girl. One of them, I don't know. It's a girl, I guess, with pink, right? Hi, we don't live on a spinning ball.
We've been duped. That's the greatest line.
Hi, buddy. It's not a pit bull. It's a long-haired Jack Russell.
We've been duped. I can put it in your bag.
Oh, sure. That'd be great. Thanks.
So we didn't even have a full 15 that applied for it?
Yeah. We've been duped.
Stand over like near the edge over there. So people look in, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah. They were blocking all the gold.
Yeah.
We're trying to get a passing car, but they're going too fast.
Check out the pictures he's got of the moon landing. Go ahead, right over
You
there.
have to put it in quotes. Check it out what you can do.
Crazy? Go even crazier than we were already crazy? Alright, so while you're here though, why not?
Hi, the Earth is not a spinning ball. You can look it up yourself.
We've been duped.
So on this
That's what's funny. Got her right in between us.
say condemnation.
Oh yeah.
They don't make any impression.
Hi there, science discussion, anybody?
Thanks.
Evidence for science. Evidence we live on a spinning ball, and I'll give you one. Can you tell me one fact that we live on a spinning ball?
Nobody cares. Just get the card in their hand. Unless they stop, we can drag them in, hit them a little harder.
Like, bonk?
You know what I mean?
Some people stop. Interested in science at all?
We've been duped.
This is real science. Yeah, really? Come back. No, this is real science.
You're hilarious.
You're afraid.
No way.
You're afraid of it.
Afraid of what?
Real science.
Where's the edge of the earth?
Yeah,
Where's the
Antarctica.
Where's the core?
Yeah.
How do you know there is an edge, bro? Think about it.
Okay, so what if they're flat? Where's the edge of the earth?
Antarctica.
What if there is no edge?
So go find it, you tell me.
Antarctica, there's a treaty. Do you know about the Antarctic Treaty?
Who said that there is stuff? Yeah, no, I hear you, bro.
It's your paycheck, right? It's all right. When this all comes out, everybody's going to be like shocked.
No, they're going to be like, oh, I knew it the whole time. I was just pretending.
Yeah, right. Hi there, real science information. You can look it up yourself. We can tell you about it.
We've been duped.
The Earth is not a spinning ball, it's a flat plane. The horizon is always at your eye level.
Bam. They got two young people come in. Perfect candidates.
Yeah. Am I still recording? Yes. Oh, I'm just so happy when I'm recording.
3 hours.
I don't know what time I started. I don't know how long I'm staying either, but Dave just got here. He's got a good 4 hours in him.
Yeah. Is he still on a hunger strike? I didn't ask him.
No, he stopped that. Did you ever hear of the flat Earth?
Check it out. We've been duped. Operation Critical Thinking. We're about ready to get that going.
That's good. Be smarter than all your friends. Spend 60 seconds here.
Check it out. We've been duped. We've been duped.
Real science here. Real science.
It's tough because he has both hands full. You know.
Yeah, stick it in his pocket. That's a little,
Yeah, that's a
like,
good one.
fresh. They're spraying us with chemicals, you know, chemtrails.
Don't breathe in too deeply, sir.
The horizon is always at your eye level. It never goes down, even on Mount Everest. It does not curve down. Which means we do not live on a spinning ball. A spinning water ball, no less. Hi, you want to look this up yourself?
It's all been lies. Check it out, guys.
Hey guys, I can tell you 2 facts that you can tell all your friends. 2 facts. First, you always get a line of reflection if it's a flat surface. And you can test that yourself. You take glossy paper and bend it and go up to a light bulb. If it's curved, you only get a spot. If it's flat, if you go like this and say, okay, then it's flat, you get a line. So this is reality, a line, okay? The other thing is star trails. This is Polaris in the middle. If you leave the camera aperture open and it just like keeps putting, you know, on the film, then you get these star trails, which are circles, okay? But look what they teach us in the schools right there. They say the Milky Way's moving, the sun's moving, and all the planets are moving around the sun. So think about that and tell me, would you really get that where the stars have not moved in thousands of years? Those are 2 facts you can tell your friends.
Oh my God.
Thanks. Real science here. Real science cannot be argued with. Did you think of a question? You were here. Did you think of a question? Do you want to know something?
Yeah.
What?
Why is this a secret after hundreds
If they
of
can
years?
fool us, they can rule us. Okay? And they want us to not know that we live on a flat plane
Like this.
with a covering. It's called a dome.
Yeah.
And that's up there. If you look up lightning sprites, you can see it because the lightning comes off the dome. So that had to be a creation. And now who created it? I don't know. You have to figure that part out.
Yeah.
But it was not a random event of a spinning ball explosion kind of a thing.
Okay.
Okay.
He planted the seed.
Yeah.
He's going to go to his family now, so we should have...
Hi, stop by and see us. Mr. Cope. Cop.
Locked out.
Yeah.
I hate shit like that. You know why I hate shit like that? When you need a cop, those MFers, you don't know are cops.
Yeah.
And you could have used his assistance for some stupid shit.
Yeah.
Now you got me all started.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, okay.
Why? Do you want a ducky, Mark?
No, I know we're annoying her, and I was going to try
Come
to
on
figure out
now.
a way that I could.
Come on now, Mark.
Like-
I know you want a ducky.
I could buy her lunch.
Do you have like
Huh?
a son or daughter or grandkid or a little duck?
He has a mom.
No.
The ducks are like our most popular thing. I go places and like they go
Yeah.
before anything else.
Yeah,
So
they're
funny.
so cute.
At
Do
all
they
ages.
squeak? Do they squeak?
Yeah.
They squeak. Oh, how cute is that?
The ones we used to have they glow in the dark. I like thought they were so cool. And then I got these.
Yeah, rubber ducky, you're the one. You make bath time so much fun. Rubber ducky, I'm awfully fond of you. Boo boo be doo. Don't you know that song? You never had kids in Sesame Street? Ay, 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 ay.
Watch TV. No.
Come on.
Sesame Street was always on.
Everybody
My
knows.
sister was obsessed with Bert and Ernie.
Yeah, really? What are you
My
going to do?
granddaughter watches SpongeBob.
How old are you?
31.
31.
Yeah,
My
you're
son
about
is 32. My youngest is 22.
My son's 31. No, 35.
How many kids you have, Mark?
3.
3? I do too. What is it, 33 and then what?
Well, one was born in 83, so how old is that? 35?
That's 36.
35. That's 35.
35.
Yeah.
I was 87.
Yeah, this stuff is crazy, but the kids now, when we were going to school, we never even thought this was possible. But there's even another theory, a geocentric theory out there.
Yeah, where it's a ball, but that's in the center. And so I saw that. That's called The Principle, and I saw that movie before I came to Flat Earth. So it was a very easy transition. Once you can understand that there's a different model that actually works, and the Principle model does, it's very similar, but it doesn't address the spherosity.
Doesn't address the water.
Is that a word?
Right. I don't care. I made it up. I can make up any word. If the government can make up words, then I can make up words.
Did you see anything to eat right here?
I am hungry. I'm hungry. What are we going to do? Wawa?
Why does everybody say Wawa?
Well, let's get a pizza or something. Want one? Should we do that?
There's a pizza place in Wawa.
Down that way.
Wawa is the answer for everything in Pennsylvania.
Wawa. That's because we're all whining all the time.
It's quick. Like you just, if you want to like get something and leave, you know, you don't have to order and like.
I know, you can push it in.
It's not my first choice, believe me, but.
Here, we need one of these things so we can put research flat Earth.
I'll tell you, Marilyn, I'll buy if you fly.
If I pick out, hey, talk to Dave about the billboards. He loves billboards.
No, I said go get pizza.
Oh, pizza. You'll buy if I fly? What kind do you want? No, that's not. Okay. All right, do you want pizza?
That's fine.
Okay.
Are you going to go, Marilyn?
Yeah. Should we order it?
You've been duped. Check it out.
Hey, we should have them deliver it.
We already came here.
Wouldn't that be funny? What's the matter?
They were she couldn't communicate the fact that
She couldn't? She couldn't say it.
Our niece works there. Oh, who's your niece? Melissa Miller. Melissa Brawl. Oh, Melissa Brawl. Yes. Can I have one of these? Yeah, go ahead. You know, we both got married this summer, so we were like, it was wedding chat. All there's actually 6 weddings between like 4 girls. Yeah. So 5 have been done. Now we're going here. These are nice. Yeah, you're welcome to the shore. Yeah. Cool. What's your name? I'll just side.
Any row.
Any row. Kim. Wait, were you back in our bachelorette? Yeah. Oh, no, I met you then. That's why you look familiar. I was the friend that like shot by.
Yes, because I'm looking at you. I'm like, God, you look
I knew when you looked up, I'm like, I don't know how it was.
Yeah. In Emmaus.
Yeah, right. Yeah. I came for like an hour.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah. Was the wedding fun?
It was.
It looked beautiful.
Yeah. You know, and she kind of snuck in between the weather because like before the weather was crappy.
Yeah.
This kind of cold, like crappy weather.
Yeah.
And then it was just a beautiful weekend.
Yeah.
Oh, it was awesome. Yeah.
I got lucky too. I was August, and mine was like the one Saturday in August that wasn't 95 degrees. It was like 75 and no humidity, so it was perfect. Yeah.
Boy, you guys know how to do it.
Yeah, we fixed it right. We're a lot. Go ahead. You guys shopping tonight?
Yeah, we're gonna see what we can buy.
he was in the know. He knows we're on a spinning water ball.
See, I always challenge
You get relief or you're just
What,
I'm into seed planting.
I know. Look, I think maybe I can get them to,
I saw a thing on eBay. It goes on your neck. It comes like this, and it sits right here.
yeah, that's an interesting idea. This is at the right level now. Okay, what's the name of that pizza place up there?
Pizza World.
It is not. It's Chero's.
You have
Something like
you
that.
have a smartphone. You just say pizza.
Look,
Give
he
it to me.
picked it up. Okay.
Oh,
Chero's, pizza, Skippack.
so the Google should know that you're right next to it. So.
All right, help me look, because I can't see for anything. This would be 113.
Your thing is set for dark.
Do it later. Would you like me to give you any more information on this and show you the banners? You can look at them if you like.
I'm just reading.
Okay.
Let me see.
Yeah, you can set your brightness because you have it set for like.
Where's the brightness thing?
I don't know. In settings.
Okay, so you can't read it either?
Yeah, I don't have bat vision. Remember, I'm half blind.
Why is that?
I have cataracts.
Do you?
My right eye is. I might as well.
I have
be
something that
blind.
cures it. It starts with an L. I'll tell you about it. Yes, are you at 113 and 73? Okay, I am a vendor down here, like 1 block. I can see the traffic light from where I'm standing. Would you make a pizza and deliver it here?
If not, we can.
What do you want on your pizza?
I'm good. No pizza for me.
Thank you, though.
Spaceballs, right? You know what a vacuum is?
Yeah.
In order to have a vacuum, you have to have a solid physical barrier separating the two pressure systems, right? Right? They tell you gravity keeps the two separated, but they've never proved it.
Okay, well, we will come and get it. So,
Not a gas. Not a.
excuse me, do you like a veggie pizza?
Yeah.
Yes, a veggie pizza. Oh, large is good. What? How much is that? A large veggie. How much does that cost? Okay, and how long will that be? Thank you. We'll be right there. Number 4. Thank you. Bye. Okay. Number 4, a large veggie pizza, $18.95, and it's right down there. Who's going to run for it?
I can go.
Okay, that'd be great.
Is
Yeah.
it Cherries?
Yeah.
Straight down, but it's on the left.
Yeah. Yeah.
How
Yeah.
long do they say?
Wawa, 20 minutes. So Wawa's on the right, you turn left in that little strip mall there.
Oh, okay. Wait, right across the street there.
Yeah, right
Okay.
across the
Oh,
street.
that's what I remember seeing.
Get the money from Mark.
Here's Mr. Moneyback.
Can I show you a few things? These are both the same kind of information. These are smaller, those are bigger. Different.
What do you?
But so this is the flat Earth map. This is in the Boston Library, Gleason's map. The North Pole's in the center. Antarctica goes all the way around the outside edge. And look, these world organizations, they use the flat Earth map, but they leave off Antarctica. I don't think they want you to know that it actually goes around the outside. So why is a big deal here? How do we know it's really just flat? So if there is a ball, there has to be a formula that says how far out and how far down it drops.
Yeah, but haven't you ever seen it from space?
No.
You have never.
There's
seen
one picture. The others are all computer generated. And they know that, they admit it. They're images. There's only one real picture, and that's taken through a porthole. Back when we were younger and we saw it on TV, they took a picture of the Earth. It was through a porthole. We have videos on that stuff now too. And it was not the whole Earth. It was just a portion of it through a porthole. Yeah, and we have forensics where we can dissect that video image and say we can understand that this is a porthole because of the light, and you can see the edge of the porthole and everything. Yeah, we have really smart people who can do this. But the curvature formula says that this is 60 miles across Lake Michigan, and there's Chicago. But that should be hidden under 1,700 feet of curvature. We should be looking through the water to see it. But it's right up there, and that's a real picture. We have it verified. There's a guy who took it. So reality says this. We've all seen the reflection of a sunset, right? So on a flat surface, it's a line. But on a curved surface, it's just a spot. And you can do that at home with glossy paper. Curve the picture, curve the paper, get the light bulb, and then do it the other way. Make it flat, and then and you can see there's a difference. So here's star trails. This is Polaris right there, and all these, you leave the aperture open, you get these concentric circles. The stars have not changed in their positions, nor do they have parallax. You know what parallax is? It's like, here, I'll show you. Parallax is when there's a star like down at the end and there's one here. So here, there's stars to your right, but then if you go this way, go past it, now that star's to your left. Stars never have parallax. They're fixed. They're in their positions fixed. So that's what we get in reality. You know what?
Who's moving then?
Okay, the Earth is stationary. The stars move around us. in a fixed, it's kind of like an upside down salad bowl. That's the way it looks. Now, this is what they teach us in the school. That everything is moving. The sun's moving, the Milky Way's moving, and the planets are all like spinning around the sun. Do you think you'd ever get that from that? No. No way. So you put these things together, that, and here's perspective. Perspective teaches you that if you have two planes coming together, they will converge, okay? Horizon's always at your eye level. Even if you're on Mount Everest or in a high plane, that's always at your eye level. It never goes down. You never see it going away and down from you. So this is all evidence. We're putting this together. Water always is flat. Suez Canal is 100 miles of flat. The Suez Canal. 100 miles flat.
Well, so what's the point?
The point is we're teaching the truth. Why somebody would lie about this? There's a lot of questions. Why would they lie about this? Well, first off, this flat surface with the Antarctica around it and the upside down salad bowl on top, that had to have been created by somebody, somewhere, somehow. You got to figure out who. I don't. I just say this is the evidence. You figure out the rest. But if there was a random event like the Big Bang, that was random. No creator necessary. Okay? That was an explosion. Everything got spinning.